We've all seen and heard of the new updates from Affinity 3, which is version 3.1, March 2026. If you missed out, I want you to watch this video for more tips. In today's video, I'm showing you how to blend images the easiest way using the new feature called the Live Tone Blend Group. Let's do this. What do we have here? This is a photo manipulation I did, and I'm using this artwork as a reference to explain to you how to use the Live Tone Blend Group. It's a very simple and easy thing to do. I was able to apply this new feature on this artwork, but I decided to also use the black and white effect. I want to make this video very easy for you, so let me switch to the Vector Studio, and then I'm using the artboards. Alright, so the first thing I would do is to import the images. This is the first image, and then when I zoom in, you can see we have a lot going on this image here. I'm going to use a tool called inpainting to remove everything I don't want on this image. Alright, so this is the inpainting brush tool. This is how it looks like, and then I just drag to make a selection on the area that I don't want. Alright, so these are the images I used for this artwork. Before I blend the images with this background here, I want to show you something. Let me turn this off. This is what I want to do. I want this image to be behind this desert sand here. So let me turn this one also off, and then I select this layer here, and then I select my object selection tool, and then I select the selection brush tool, and then I just make a selection like this. The next thing I'll do after the selection is to press Ctrl J on my keyboard to make a duplicate of this. So Ctrl J. So there you have it. You can see it has created a duplicate of this selection here. So I press Ctrl D to deselect the selection, and then when I turn this layer off, this is what we have. I will create another selection for the sky. When I turn this layer off and I turn this one on, you can see I have separated the images. So at this point I can add this rock image here. So I turn it on, and then I move this layer here on top of it. So this is how I was able to create this aspect that you are seeing here. The next thing I'm doing is to merge the images, so I drag to select all of them, and then I right click, and you see this option here, merge selected. And then at this point I want to apply the live blend group, so I make sure the layer is selected, and then I select pixel, and then you can see this option here, live tone blend group, so I select it. So you can see the background image has blended with this car image here. Instead of you going through the traditional way of blending your images using adjustment and then color balance to blend the images, but this time Affinity added a simple way to blend your images without any stress. So this is how it actually looks like when I apply the effect on the car image, and this is what it looks like when I applied the black and white effect. Let me show you how I did the black and white effect. It will maintain the live tone blend group, though I'm using the black and white effect. So this is how I did it. This is how I was able to create the black and white effect for the layers, and this is the result I got. So as you can see, when I compare the two images, it looks similar, and also it has maintained the live tone blend group. This is the fastest and easiest way to blend your images. Affinity 3.1 is what you need. If you haven't downloaded the software, check the link in description to download the software. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in the next video.